guys, today I'm making a very tasty meal. This is gonna be Highlanders fish and chips. So trout is a typical meal for the Highland Poland, especially close to the mountains. And I have 5 fresh trouts which are already prepared, fished from a nearby lake. So in fact, the easy way to do it, I'm gonna show you how. So this is gonna be all fried on the oven, and let's begin, guys. Okay, first things first, we need some flour. We're not gonna do the classic dough today, it's just gonna be salt and flour. So, a thing needed is a big frying pan, guys, so the fish needs to fit in there. And another thing I need is for the French fries. Alright, so you can make your own chips. In this case, I'm using Avico chips. These are the frozen French fries. And they are quite easy to do. You can do it from, or deep fry them, or you can use the actually frying pan, or you can place them in an oven. It's up to you. Alright guys, so first things first, we need to grab a trout and put salt on it. Then we put it directly in the flour. And we are ready to begin frying. So, let me show you guys a nice trick, because this is gonna be butter fried trout. So you don't want to burn the butter because it will burn quite quickly. Then we can use a bit of veggie oil together with the butter to prevent it from burning. Alright, so and here's the frying pan for our French fries. So let's put some on there. Okay, and here we are also putting for the trout. Alright, so what about the butter? Yes, we need to add the butter. You can see the fish is ready here. And what about the butter? We need to add the butter in there as well. So I'm moving the butter into the frying pan, and here it is. Okay, so guys, I put the flame on, and here we need to put the flame on as well. Yes, there it is. And now for the French fries. You just need to wait a bit for it to get hot. dissolve the butter in the oil, and that will be almost ready. You can also add a bit of butter when you finish frying the fish. I'm making a portion for one of my kids, so this is about it. And time to place the fish on there. Now we can place the second one as well. So the second kid also wants fish, so therefore I made the same fish and putting it on the frying pan. Alright, and now we need to add a bit of French fries for the second kid. Oh, you can already smell, it's really nicely smelling. Now you need to fry it until it's golden brown, so I will show you the serving suggestion just in a second. And obviously you need to turn the fish from time to time, and the French fries also need to be mixed when you do them on a frying pan. If you were about to use fresh potatoes, it's possible as well. So the trout and the fries are looking perfect and golden brown. They are almost ready. Let me show you guys the serving suggestion. And well, that's about it. Guys, the fish is ready. The French fries are ready. This is one portion for the first kid. As you can see, this is the serving suggestion. So I hope you guys like it. Well, my kid would gladly enjoy it. So I'm moving to my kid. Proszę bardzo.
Dziękuję.
Podano do stołu. Podoba się?
Bardzo.
A, popatrzcie tutaj. To co, wcinaj, maluchu, wcinaj. So you can start eating.